Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily recover any deleted Excel file on your Windows. Let's begin. First, if you have accidentally deleted your Excel file, the first thing you can do is to head over to your recycle bin. So, just manually select your Excel file. You can right click on it. For example, if this is the file, right click and then choose restore, and then just head back to whichever folder you save your file. However, if it's way beyond saving from recycle bin, what you can do instead is open Excel. You will notice this button or option, file, click on it, and you will see the option recover unsaved workbooks. Now, depending on the version you have, you should have this option right over here or in the middle section. So the keyword would just be recover unsaved workbooks or manage workbooks. So just click on it and it will actually open up your folder containing your Excel files that can be recovered. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.